Hey guys, so you're going to join me today as I color my hair pink. Just trying to, never done it before, so this is my first time coloring my locks. I'm going to be doing it in neon pink, as in it's the first time I'm doing it. Normally I get it done. So if you guys want to see my attempt, don't laugh and stick around. Alright, so first things first, I am going to shower and then just wash it, shampoo it, and then I get started. Please to remember I have no experience doing this, so no judgment, okay? You gotta learn someday. So let's see. There they are. Hello. Alright guys, so remember, I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay? Probably should do the gloves first. So I have these. I don't know if I should use these or the foil, so I'm just gonna use these because I'm just doing like my end. I forgot to get gloves, but I found a pair. So hopefully they will do the trick. It was my first aid kit. But hey, looks like they can work. Right? See? So my hair is a little damp. A little damp. Yes, Amira, I hear you. I hear you, my love. I hear you. I see you. I embrace you. There, guys. Alright, so what I should have done was put a little oil around my scalp, which I'm going to still do. I see everybody say put a little protective oil. So I'm going to use some oil. Guys, as I said, never do this before, right? So I just do it so. Please comment and let me know what I need to do better next time. Alright, let's get into it now. Alright, so just doing it piece at a time. Getting back into my pink girl phase. You all like it, mommy? Alright guys, so here you have it. You see? So I'm just gonna use my mix, just kind of lock in some moisture. Yes, I rise in the background. I'm going to kind of plait it up to get a plait out too. So if I get it, if it comes out, then I'll put it in.